Yeah, hi everyone. Coach Marjorie B here. I want to quickly show you guys something that I found, and it's been an exciting ride for the past couple of weeks. I found this AI tool that is quite convenient, and you can use it to trade Forex, no matter how busy it is you are. So this is from a company called GFO. Yeah, so GFO is actually redefining how Forex learning, how the Forex industry is, because with GFO, you now have access to AI-supported tools like the scanners, the four scanners you're seeing here. And these tools actually help you to take trades, because all the hard work that you could have done in analyzing the charts, spending time being on the market. The scanners have actually done for you. And I used two of the scanners. There are actually four here. The Golden Era scanner, the Tentrade scanner, Kill Shot scanner, Sniper Pro scanner. And I'd like to say that my two fave are the Trend Wave and the Kill Shot scanner. And let me just show you how I used it this morning. You see here, the symbols here. This shows cryptocurrency. This shows Forex pairs. This shows indices. And then this shows metals and all. Where you have gold, crude oil, and the likes. So it's very simple. What I did this morning was that I logged into my G4 account, and you can see this is my name here, Madriba Singh. And then I came to the trend wave scanner. I chose the trend wave scanner, and I came and I saw what I did was I kept scanning the market. I just kept, it's a scanner, right? So you're supposed to check what is setting up in the market. So what I did was I looked into the market, and at the time, GBP card, this is a Forex pair, currency pair called GBP card. That's the Great Britain pound against the Canadian dollars. So it was calling for a buy at the time, but now the trend has changed and it's showing you that it's time to sell. But at that time, it was calling for a buy. Let me look at the timing. Yeah, this was possibly around 11. Yeah, this was around where the trade called a buy. And I entered this trade, and guess what? I sniped off the trade because what did I need to do? See, whenever, these scanners, like the trend wave, it actually gives you a trade idea. What you do is that you go to the kill shots. This is a kill shots. This is a kill shots. And I looked for GBP card, and I saw that, what it would do is that all these things you're seeing here, you're seeing the price below, above. Now on the price bar, it has, if you're buying, that's going bullish, then the price, you have to see this all in blue. If you're selling, all these three timelines have to align. So I looked at it and I saw that the three buttons below on price, had aligned. The price was all blue. And then up there on the M1, M5, N15, it was all blue as well. And I took my trade. And I'd like to show you the outcome of my trade. Let me show you a quick outcome of my trade. Now, this was a trade I took, GBP card, called by kill shots, trend wave. And then, I took it, just a quick scalp. You can see that it was a buy. And I bought and sniped off, almost $8. I think it was around 11 a.m. This morning. And this thing gives maximum, like, several opportunities among multiple currency pairs, indices, and the likes. And what I just did, imagine that you're able to snipe off, find 10 of such opportunities. That's a quick $78. A quick $70. Even if it's a quick 10, a quick 20, or a quick 30, 40, $50. I mean, you're in profit and you get out of the market. Now, we don't take all the money in one bite, because we understand that there are multiple opportunities out there, so you take a bit until you meet your target for the day. So that's the trend wave and kill short scanners. I'll tell you a lot more about the scanners in some other video, but this is how easy it is to trade with the GIFO scanners. Hope it helps. Yeah, you can DM me, or contact me via Telegram if you want us to discuss how you can learn about the scanners and how you can use the scanners as well. So I'm open to teaching you. I remain Coach Madribi. Bye for now.